How to make lavender linen water. Pour the ingredients together into a suitable container. A spray container makes a good choice, as it will be ready to use rather than having to transfer it to another container. Let sit for a week before using. Over time the water will continue to ferment, infusing the lavender fragrance. Shake occasionally during infusion. Use within the following year. Add a label denoting both product and date to make it easier to know the remaining shelf life. Store in a cool place out of direct sunlight. The fragrance deteriorates with time. Using lavender linen water. Use the lavender linen water to add a pleasing fragrance to linens that are being stored. Apply in either of the following ways. Spray, pour into a spray bottle and spray directly onto the linen while ironing. Iron, pour a little into the iron and use the steam function. Spritz linen prior to using it. While optional, this is a nice use for freshening linen. When removing linen from the cupboard for use, especially bedding, give a quick spritz with this water to freshen it. This is especially nice for pillowcases.